Okay, here's the lowdown on this branch run. Take a look down the hall towards the home run box. There it is. I already ran 20 feet of conduit out of the home run box, supporting it with threaded rods and overhead conduit clips, the whole enchilada. Now turn to the 2100 box. Point at the 2100 box on the ceiling and press the trigger. Here's the problem. The branch runs out of alignment with the 2100 box, so we're going to need an offset bend. On most job sites, you'd use a ladder to reach a branch run, so let's do a quick ladder safety refresher. Time to mark the conduit so we know where to bend it. For this offset, give yourself a 2-inch lead before the first bend. Grab the tape measure from the table. Put the tape measure at the end of the conduit like I'm showing you. There you go. Grab the marker and mark the conduit at 2 inches. I'll extend it all the way around so it's visible from all sides. Now, we're going to mark the distance between the two bends. Where do we start our measurement? Touch that point on the conduit. Yep, we measure from the first mark. Go ahead and mark the distance we calculated, 12 inches. Excellent. Let me extend it all the way around again. Okay, I'll bend the offset. Check it out. The bend's complete. See how it lays nice and flat on the table? That means there's no dogleg. Let's get this baby attached to the 2100 box. Grab the conduit. Lift the conduit and slide the offset end into the coupling on the stub. I'll tighten the coupling screws. Now, we've got to connect the other end to the branch run. Grab the torpedo level and place it on the underside of the conduit. You need the marker next. Grab it. Good. Keep a hold of that. Use your free hand to lift the new conduit so that it's level with the branch run. Great. Hold that in place. We need to cut off the overlap so the new conduit will fit nicely into this coupling. Mark the cut point on the conduit in line with the center of the coupling. Looking good. I'll extend the mark all the way around. See? Okay, let go of the conduit and put down the marker. Let me just uninstall the conduit, then move it to the tripod. Now you're going to secure it. Grab the chain. Pull the chain over the conduit like I'm showing you. Okay, now grab the handle of the chain vise. Turn it clockwise to tighten the chain. Good, that's secure. Now you're going to cut it with the portable bandsaw. To be safe, you always use 2 hands. One on the handle or back grip and one on this front grip. See? And see this blade stop? You've got to hold that perpendicular to the conduit, then gently guide the saw along the cut line. This keeps the saw from bouncing. Ready to try it out? Using both hands, pick up the saw from the table. Keep holding it in both hands, just like that. Spread your feet a bit to stay grounded and maintain balance while you cut. Position the blade along the cut line, holding the saw perpendicular to the conduit. Keeping the blade on the conduit, cut it by pressing the trigger with the hand on the back grip. Fantastic! Put the saw on the table. Check out the end you just cut. I'll ream the conduit to remove any burrs. Let me clean up real quick. The moment of truth. Let's see if our offset fits. Grab it. Lift the conduit to fit it into the couplings on both the box and the branch run. Let me tighten those coupling screws. Hey, the branch run's complete. Let's spend some quality time with our final quality checklist. What do we got here? Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Absolutely. For sure. Great work completing an overhead conduit run, including an offset bend. Congratulations! You just earned a gold medal. Grab it to unlock it.